Hello students, based on the types of problems, first I will teach problem based on left hand limit, right hand limit. So the given question is limit x approaches 0, 3x plus mod x by 7x minus 5 mod x. Whenever mod x is there, when x less than 0, what is the definition of mod x? Mod x equal to minus x when x less than 0, when x greater than or equal to 0, it is plus x, correct? So for left side it is minus x, right side it is plus x. So based on this definition, you have to apply this. So here the only possibility you have to calculate LHL RHL separately. Now first L of f of 0, as per the definition, limit x approaches 0, uh, x approaches 0 minus, x approaches 0 minus. So which is equal to limit x approaches 0 minus 3x mod x when x less than z, this is 0 minus. So what is the value of mod x? Mod x is minus x by 7x minus 5 into, so what is mod of x? Again minus x, correct. So which is equal to limit x approaches 0 minus, this is 2x, minus into minus plus, 5x plus 2x, 12x, x cancel, and limit x approaches 0, 1 by 6, which is equal to 6. The value of LHL is 1 by 6. The value of LHL is 1 by 6. So what is RHL? R of f of 0, which is equal to limit x approaches 0 plus 3x plus mod x by 7x minus 5 mod x. Limit x approaches 0 plus 0 plus is right side of 0, greater than 0. Therefore, mod of x value is plus x. 3x plus x by 7x minus 5 into x, which is equal to limit x approaches 0 plus 4x by 2x. These two gets cancelled. Okay, so limit x approaches 0 plus 4 by 2, the answer is 2. This is RHL, R of f of 0. L of f of 0, L of f of 0 equal to this. So L of f of 0 not equal to R of f of 0, therefore not equal to, therefore what is your conclusion? Whenever LHL and RHL are not same, then the limit does not exist. Therefore limit x approaches 0, 3x plus mod x by 5x, 7x minus 5 mod x does not exist, does not exist, does not exist. Why this limit does not exist? Because even though both LHL and RHL exist, but both the values are unequal. So because of LHL not equal to RHL, so limit does not exist. Practice this type of problem, you can expect in section D. Thank you.